Well, hi there. It's Stacey Hawkins from StaceyHawkins.com, the place to be to make a better meal and live a better life the low-carb way. I've got 3 quick cooking hacks for you today. Whether you're cooking lean, green, low-carb, it doesn't matter. These are going to help you to be a better chef in the kitchen. Number 1, nuts make for a great condiment, but they're super high in calories, and 2 or 3 nuts can actually make a lot more little pieces when you use your citrus juicer. Throw the nuts in there, crush them up a couple times, and boom, away you go. So much easier than the food processor or chopping them up another way. Number 2, the Brillo Pad. You ever go to use it and it's all rusty? Well, most of them are little jobs. Take your Brillo Pad, cut it in half or cut it into quarters, use the piece, throw it out, and you've still got more to go. Last but not least, to roast the perfect chicken in the oven, use your bundt pan. Put the chicken right on top, upside down. You can put your veggies in the bottom. Makes for a nice, quick, easy cleanup and perfect roasted chicken every time. For more great recipes, tips, and techniques, check us out on the web at StaceyHawkins.com. Bye.